Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the hottest and latest news in the luxury world. So first would be, of course, from Louis Vuitton. So last week, guys, remember I've shared to you the up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags from their Cruise 2023. I have more exciting good news. So more bags from the Cruise 2023 has just been released, so I would be sharing them to you guys. Guys, definitely you don't want to miss this. This is going to be super exciting. Still on Louis Vuitton would be from the men's department. They are going to release a new collection on December 1st entitled the Snow Collection. This is very noteworthy, and I would like also to share these very beautiful bags from the Louis Vuitton. Second news would be from the Balenciaga x Adidas collaboration. Yes guys, they are live right now. So if you are a very stylish person who wants to be on top of their style, their trend, then definitely I would be sharing to you what are my prediction would be the hottest and what we are going to see on most of the influencers in the coming weeks. So these are my wish list for the Balenciaga x Adidas collaboration. And last but not the least, the certificate of craft from Bottega Veneta. Guys, yes, so I'm going to explain more in a few. So make sure, guys, if you want to know everything all about the good news here, watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also in unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, let us start with the Cruise 2023. So this is the part 2. Remember guys, last week I've shared to you the part 1. So these are the up-and-coming bags from the Cruise 2023. So the very first one is the Cozan PM in the metal blue. So again, apologies for the pronunciation. So it's 4,700 US dollars. So I'm guessing guys for this one, the treatment is more of like a metallic blue finish. So again, very classic Cozan PM look with the silver hardware. The next one guys, this is what I am really so excited about, the ALMA BB in metallic blue. So again, price of the ALMA BB is 2,780 because currently guys, on my top of my wish list is to own an ALMA PM or a BB. Actually, I'm just waiting for the perfect ALMA BB to pop up. So this one, so metallic blue. So it has silver hardware. So we are going to see that the Louis Vuitton monograms are embossed. So I'm not really sure what kind of leather this is, if this is somewhat kind of a patent leather because it's metallic finish. So I'm guessing it's a little bit patent-ish, very smooth, but very good color. So very versatile colors, more on the navy side. And then of course we have the Cozan BB in Pearl Noir. So that's 5,400 USD. So I have researched guys, what does it mean, the pearl? I'm not really sure, that's French. I researched what it means. So it means it's beaded or pearl. So if we are going to zoom in on this Cozan BB, then you are going to see that there are tiny beads. So everything is beaded. Then the white Louis Vuitton monograms are also in beads. So I'm guessing it's just like my Fendi baguette here. So it is beaded. To be honest, I'm not really sure if I have seen a Louis Vuitton bag that is beaded. So please guys, comment down below and share to me previous collection of Louis Vuitton that's also beaded. But this one is really interesting. Thus the price. Next is another beaded Petite Mal Noir for 7,700 USD. Wow. So love the all black color, leather trims, gold hardware, and of course the pearl embellishment detail of the Louis Vuitton monogram. Next, we have the Capucines Mini with pearl details as well. So this one, different combination, more on the brown or cream side. Then we are going to see the contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram as well. Then next would be Capucines mini in the embroidered detail color Noir. So this one, guys, I don't have any photos or more photos yet, so I'm not really sure what the embroidery is made of, but it looks very interesting. But just take a look at the price, guys, 9,500 USD. So definitely it is a work of art. Next, guys, this is the very first time that I am seeing this bag. So it's the Lexington, I'm not really sure, Lexington NV2 so I'm not really sure what those codes are, but the price is 2,580. So it comes with two straps, so one chain strap and then one leather strap that can be adjusted just like the Neo way. So again, guys, this is the first time that I'm seeing this, so maybe you could wear this as a pochette. So you could wear it with one chain, like for example for date nights, wear it with the silver chain. Then if you want to be more on the casual side, then wear it with the leather crossbody bag. Last but not the least, for the Cruise 2023 would be the belt bag Cousin Pearl for 3,250. So this one, another exciting look for the belt bag PM Cousin. I love actually this size. I was able to try this one. It's very cute, guys, to be honest. And of course, it comes with the two detachable chains, so it has a thick detachable top handle chain, so that one actually can be converted into a necklace. Then it comes also with a longer gold chain that you could wear as a crossbody. Alright, so the next new bag from Louis Vuitton would be from the men's collection. So guys, please take note that this would be launched as of today, December 1st, 2022, and the title of the collection is Snow. So the main material of the bag is like the Broderie edition. So it's a nylon bag, and we are going to see there would be a contrasting stitch of the Louis Vuitton logo. So let's start first with the KEEPALL 40. So this one price is 3,650. So this one, guys, would be a very good overnight bag. So if you are a fan of the KEEPALL family, then definitely this would be a good one, especially like for example, since this is a nylon material, then I am guessing like for example, if you are going to bring this on a winter location, then snow would fall onto it, or maybe droplets of water, it would just light off. So it's very interesting as well, like what I mentioned earlier, the contrasting stitch of the Louis Vuitton logo. So we are going to see that the Vuitton logo is written on the entirety of the bag. It comes with the leather details as well. Next on the Snow collection would be the DOP kit for only 1,490 US dollars. So I'm guessing this is their version of the toiletry pouch. Again, same look, same material. Everything is black nylon with leather handle. Of course, the contrasting stitch of the Louis Vuitton logo on the entirety of the DOP kit. Third would be the backpack for only 3,300 USD. So very good, very sizable backpack. So if you are a backpack lover, maybe you could take this to work. I'm guessing that definitely this could fit most of the essentials that we need for work. Laptop, planner, and all of what you need for your daily essentials. And definitely this would be a good backpack. And of course, it would be hard wearing since the material is nylon. And last but not the least would be the bum bag for 2,310. So again, I'm sure everyone is missing that the bum bag on the women's section has already been discontinued, but just, you know, check on the men's section, guys, and definitely you could still perhaps enjoy a bum bag. So just like this one for only 2,310, material nylon with the leather details or leather trims and with the contrasting stitch of the Louis Vuitton monogram. Alright, third hottest news for today, guys, of course, would be the collaboration of Balenciaga x Adidas. So I'm sure everyone has seen that this collaboration and collection has walked the runway. What do you think, guys, of this new collection? But again, if you are wanting to be always on trend, always, you know, to be top of your style game, then definitely you would want to have a piece of the Balenciaga x Adidas collaboration. So this is my wish list, guys, and I am guessing that in a couple of weeks, we are going to see most of the celebrities, most of the influencers would be wearing these very beautiful pieces from the Balenciaga x Adidas collaboration. So the very first one, of course, would be the Balenciaga x Adidas Panta shoes for 3,790 US dollars. So this one comes in two colors, comes in red. So the red is actually pre-orderable now at Balenciaga.com. And the black version, same thing, so same price, pre-orderable now at Balenciaga.com. So again guys, of course, this is very famous, very Instagram worthy, very real worthy guys. So it's a pants connected to a shoes, and of course, it's made of a lightweight material, very Adidas-ish. It comes also with the Adidas 3 stripes, and of course what makes this very Balenciaga is, of course, it's a panta shoes. It's a pants and a shoes at the same time. So you could get it, of course, in 2 different colors. So definitely guys, yes, this is for women's, but if I could fit in, then definitely I would want to have this one. And of course, if you are going to get the panta shoes, then better get the matching Balenciaga Adidas tracksuit jackets as well. So it's now available for pre-order online for 2,250. Then let's concentrate first guys on the footwear for this collection. So the next thing that I am predicting would be very hot and would be very trendy would be this very beautiful Balenciaga X Adidas Knife 110mm booty. So guys, OMG, how beautiful this is. So comes in 2 colors, of course. Price is only 1,650. So very trendy, very beautiful. I know it would be very difficult to walk at, but look at the design guys. So I feel that the sides of the shoes or ankle boots is a little bit stretchy. It comes also with the Adidas logo. Another trendy shoes that would be flying off the shelf would be the Balenciaga Adidas Sock 90mm booty. So for 1,450, available at Balenciaga.com. What I'm really interested with this one is the heel design. It's very different, it's very modern, it's very now. So you have to get it guys. For some of the notable bags on this collection, of course, how can we not discuss the Balenciaga Adidas Hourglass XS? Comes in 2 colors. It comes in red. So both of these bags are made 100% box calf leather, so it would be very smooth. Then we are going to see the 3 stripes at the front of the bag. So price is $3,150 US. Again, the size is XS. So maybe in my recommendation, because we have the XS Hourglass in graffiti, in my experience guys, it's tiny bag energy, so you have to be very conservative when carrying this one. Just put all the essentials, but if you want a little bit bigger, then go for a much bigger size of the Balenciaga Hourglass bag. Next, of course, would be the Hourglass wallet on chain. So this one, I love this black color. You know, it screams Adidas and Balenciaga at the same time. Even though you're far away, you could easily recognize this for only $2,100 US. Then of course, still on this collection, if you want to just have a little taste of this Balenciaga x Adidas collaboration, then perhaps you could invest on some of the costume jewelry. So we have this silver Balenciaga Adidas earrings. It would come soon on their website for $625. So this one I like, but Balenciaga Adidas trefoil earrings for $695 as well. So it's also coming soon, so just stay tuned on that one. And they also have the card holder. So for the card holder, so they have in 3 different colors. They have the black, blue, and red. Price is only $335. Then there is a wallet that comes in black for $450 USD. Alright, so last hot news for the day would be from Bottega Veneta, and this is their Certificate of CAP program. Like, what is that, Rod? I'm going to read a couple of things here so I could explain it to you better, guys. So again, November 2022, Bottega is rolling out its new Certificate CAP program. So it is a new service that offers, guys, take note, it offers unlimited refresh and repair, wow, for any Bottega Veneta handbag. So the Certificate of Craft is born out of desire to offer our clients a superior service of long-term preservation of their products. So this is said by Bottega Veneta CEO Leo Rongoni. He said that in a statement, we focus on responsible growth. Our intention is to maintain products in for a longer use, reducing the need for replacement. So how does it work, guys? So the service will be offered at boutique starting November 1st and will be presented as a physical card that coincides with the product serial number. Unfortunately, it doesn't cover all the bags yet as of the moment. So like for example, like the newer bags, the massive intricciato pouch, like the new creative director Matthew Blaze's new design it bags. It's not yet included or not yet eligible with the program, but what's eligible are the classic style of bags. So it also says here that if your Bottega Veneta bag is one of the classic, it will be guaranteed not just for life but till the end of time, so that you can pass the treasure down to your children and your children's children, generationally aging with their Bottega birthrights. OMG guys, so this is such a game changer. So personally, I don't have any Bottega Veneta, but OMG, with this news, it's like I think I need to start adding Bottega Veneta classic bags to my wish list. So the question is, because again guys, I'm not familiar with what would be considered classic bags with Bottega Veneta. So are the Jody bags, are the cassette bags, are the pouch bags considered as a classic bag, therefore would be eligible for this certificate? But if so guys, OMG. So again, it will be offered starting November 2022. I would need to find out more of this one. I've tried to research. Unfortunately, there are no lists yet of what bags are included. Definitely if I have more news, I would share it to you here or on my news feed. So guys, please stay tuned. But then again, thank you Bottega Veneta for this very wonderful program wherein we have not just a lifetime, like it said, that till the end of time, you know, unlimited refresh and repair on the Bottega Veneta bags. Holy wow guys, did you enjoy our episode for today? OMG. So we have very beautiful bags, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, and of course the hottest news from Bottega Veneta. What do you think of the news that we have shared so far guys? Please let me know and kindly comment down below. Again guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from a million. Thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!